Get rich in 2025 with this simple investing strategy. So, you want to start investing but don't know where to begin? You've probably heard that investing is the secret to wealth, but when you look at stocks, ETFs, crypto, real estate, it all seems like a financial jungle with no guide. Trust me, I've been there. I remember opening my first investing app, seeing all the charts, graphs, and weird acronyms, and thinking, is this some kind of secret code? Should I have studied Wall Street before opening this? But here's the deal. The wealthy don't just save money. They make their money work for them. You don't need thousands to start, just $5, a little patience, and this video. And by the end of this, you'll have a step-by-step plan to start investing today. So if you're ready to stop being broke and start building real wealth, smash that like button, and let's get into it. Why investing is a must. Let's start with a brutal truth. If you're not investing, you're basically lighting your money on fire. Ever noticed how your favorite fast food meal keeps getting more expensive? That's inflation robbing you blind. The $10 meal you enjoyed last year? Yeah, next year it'll be $15, and the fries will be smaller. Meanwhile, if your money is just sitting in a bank account, it's doing nothing except collecting dust. I had a buddy who always said, "I'll invest later when I make more money." Fast forward 10 years, he still hasn't started, while another friend who started with just $50 a month now has over $50,000 invested. The difference? Starting now. Now, let me ask you this. Would you rather work 40+ years and retire eating instant noodles? Or invest consistently and have your money making you more money while you sleep? I'll take the second option, thanks. So let's talk about where to actually put your money so it grows and doesn't just sit there being useless. Stocks and ETFs, the easiest start. I get it, stocks sound complicated. But imagine this. You buy a tiny piece of Apple stock, like, literally, one share. You now own part of Apple. Tim Cook himself doesn't know who you are, but technically, you're his boss. Every time Apple makes money, you make money. Feels good, right? Now, what if you didn't just own Apple, but 500 companies at once? That's an ETF, a fancy name for a basket of stocks. Best beginner ETFs that won't make you cry at night. VOO, S&P 500, owns 500 top companies. Safe, solid, and reliable. VTI, total stock market, if you want a piece of the entire US economy. SCHD, dividend ETF, pays you passive income. Yes, free money for doing nothing. Want free stocks? Check out my links below. Some investing platforms literally give you free money just for signing up. Why not take it? Stocks versus ETFs, which one for you? Now, if you hate risk and don't want to think too much, ETFs are your best friend. But if you like the thrill of picking individual stocks, here's how to do it without gambling away your lunch money. Pick companies you actually use daily. If you're addicted to Starbucks, maybe that's a clue. Look at profits, not hype. Just because everyone on Twitter says this stock will 10x doesn't mean it will. Hold long term. The stock market is like a roller coaster. If you jump off mid-ride, you're gonna get hurt. The stock market rewards patience. It punishes people who try to get rich overnight. So don't be that guy. Crypto, should you invest? Crypto. The investment that made some people millionaires and others cry themselves to sleep. So, should you invest? Yes, but don't be dumb about it. Only invest money you can afford to lose. If losing it means you can't pay rent, stay away. Stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're the closest thing that's safe in the crypto world. Dollar cost average, DCA. Instead of YOLOing your entire paycheck into Bitcoin at once, spread it out over time. 3 common mistakes beginners make. Look, I get it. Investing feels overwhelming at first. And when people finally start, they tend to make dumb mistakes that can cost them thousands or make them give up too soon. Let's make sure you don't fall into these traps. Trying to time the market. You ever hear people say, "I'll invest when the market crashes," or "I'll wait for the perfect moment"? Yeah, those people usually never invest at all. Truth, the best time to invest was 10 years ago. The second best time? Today. Investing all your money at once. Let's say you have $1,000 to invest. Should you dump it all in one stock right now? Nope. Instead, spread it out. This is called dollar cost averaging, DCA. Example, if you invest $200 per month instead of all at once, you lower your risk of buying at the worst time. Jumping on hype stocks or meme coins. We all know that one guy who YOLO'd his paycheck into Dogecoin because Twitter told him to. Newsflash, hype doesn't equal value. Stick to solid companies and ETFs, not the latest pump and dump scheme. Panic selling when the market drops. Imagine buying a stock at $100 and seeing it drop to $80 overnight. Your first instinct? Oh no, I'm losing money. Sell. But if you had just waited, that stock might have recovered to $120 in a few months. Lesson, the market goes up and down, but in the long run, it trends upward. Stay patient. Real estate, building long-term wealth. Let's talk real estate. You ever look at your rent and think, "Wow, my landlord is getting rich off me"? Yeah, same. Here's how to start investing in real estate even if you're not rolling in cash. House hacking, buy a duplex, live in one unit, rent the other. Boom, free housing. REITs, real estate investment trusts, the lazy way to invest in real estate without dealing with tenants. Save for a down payment. If you actually want to buy property, you need a plan. Watch my How to Save $10,000 video for that. Want to invest in real estate stocks? My links below let you start for as little as $10. No need to be a millionaire even though that helps. Where to invest today? So now you know what to invest in. But where do you actually start? If I were starting from scratch today, here's what I'd do. Open an investing account, Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Webull. Put money into an ETF like VOO or VTI. Invest consistently, every paycheck, no excuses. Pay yourself first. Put money away from paychecks into a get-rich funds before paying bills. The key? Consistency beats trying to time the market. People who try to wait for the perfect moment usually never invest at all. Bonus, how to build wealth with affiliate marketing. Now, what if you want to make money while investing? That's where affiliate marketing comes in. You invest, you share your experience, and you get paid when people use your referral links. It's basically getting rewarded for helping others start their wealth journey. Join affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, investing platforms, crypto apps. Make content, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. Doesn't matter, just start. Share links, the more people sign up, the more money you make. For example, every affiliate link I have below pays me every time someone signs up. Imagine making $100 per day just for sharing links. It's the easiest side hustle that actually works. If you want free stocks, crypto, or investing bonuses, check my links below. Let's bust some common investing myths real quick. How much money do I need to start investing? Answer, literally $5. Stop making excuses. What's the safest investment for beginners? Answer, ETFs. They give you instant diversification, so even if one company fails, you're still safe. Should I wait for the market to crash? Answer, no. Time in the market beats timing the market. Invest consistently, and you'll come out ahead. Is crypto safe? Answer, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Mostly. Everything else? Depends. If it sounds like a get-rich-quick scheme, run. How do I invest if I'm broke? Answer, start small. Cut one unnecessary expense and invest that money instead. You'd be surprised how much you can save by not buying Starbucks every day. Alright, let's wrap this up. ETFs equals easiest way to start. Stocks equals own a piece of great companies. Crypto equals high risk, high reward, play it safe. Real estate equals long-term wealth. Affiliate marketing equals extra passive income. Now, don't just watch this and do nothing. Drop a comment below. What's your first investment going to be? Smash that like button if you learned something today. Subscribe because I drop weekly money-making strategies. And if you need money to start investing, watch my How to Save $1,000 Fast video right here.